Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have s squared s to the power of 3. We can do about factorization by s. Next, we continue do factorization by this one in here. So I will put s into 2s minus s, because 2s minus s you got about s. Now we can do about factorization by s. Number 2 and number 2, we can do another factorization by number 2. S minus 1, s minus 1, we can do another factorization. Now we can do about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s, capital B over s minus 1, capital C over s plus 2. Now we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about s minus 1, s plus 2 in here. So we need to multiply by s minus 1, s plus 2. About this one, it is missing about s and s plus 2. So capital B multiplied by s and s plus 2. Now we do similar for C. And this one, that is about this one. Now we need to expand this one in here. So you got about s squared plus s minus number 2. This one you got about s squared plus 2s. This one you got about s squared minus s. Now we need to arrange based on the term of s. About s squared, you got about a plus b plus c. About s, you got about a plus 2b minus c. About the number, you got about negative 2a. So we need to compare coefficients in here. We have s squared, so this is about number 1. A plus b plus c equals to number 1. This one we have negative number 3 next to s. So a plus 2b minus c equals to negative number 3. And negative 2a equals to negative number 1. And now we create the system of equations. So we have a plus b plus c equals to number 1. A plus 2b minus c equals to negative number 3. And the last one, now we need to find the solutions of a, b, c. So a equals to 1 over 2, b equals to negative number 1, c equals to 3 over 2. And now we put the value a, b, c go in here. So a equals to 1 over 2, b equals to negative number 1, c equals to 3 over 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, you got about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s. Similar for the next one. And we put about C, that is about the constant. This is the end. Thank you for watching.